Hello Falava, it's Samoan Language Week. Ko Holly tuku ingoa. My name is Holly.
And talofa Te Anau SCHOOL, ko Fern, ahau. I'm Fern. Welcome to the morning report for our meeting, 5th of June.
Starting the day with Te rere nā korero o te wiki. This week's phrase is sa varli, which is Samoan for go for a walk.
So please wear a coat if you sa varli go for a walk.
Okay, school entry and exit points. A reminder to use the gates, please.
Yes, the school office is not an official entry point for students. It is for parents and visitors. Students use the gates. Thank you.
Senior club news. Cooking club, please meet Mrs. Graham in the staffroom this afternoon for deliciousness.
And sports club, get yourselves to room 4 with Mrs. Ruffles this afternoon. Thank you.
Bus students, 99% perfect yesterday. Thank you for marking yourselves off the bus. Let's go for 100%.
Ka pai, health and safety news, high vis vests. Everyone wearing them to and from school. Most students are tino pai koutou.
Okay, lunchtime activities. Today, straight after eating from 12:30, drama games in the hall for everybody. No food.
And everybody is also welcome at Just Dance in room 9 and face painting in room 10. What an awesome combo.
Finally, it's a big old game of capture for year 4s to 6s on the kindy field. Let's go.
Okay, birthday news. One lucky fella in room 6 is turning 8 today.
Yep, I can see his smile from here. Rough Rhino to Austin. Happy birthday, dude. Have a great day.
Cans for a course. If you have canned goods, the collection box is beside the food form. Thank you.
And last news for the week, a big reminder about showing pride in our uniforms and classrooms.
Yes, please stay out of the mud and help keep the carpets clean and dry, especially on the wet days.
And if you missed any info, check out the notes in the description box below. I'm out. Till far soifua. Goodbye.
And from everyone here at the Morning Report team, ka kitea Aotearoa wiki. See you next week. Piki ata he te taumata.
Whakarongo rā.